30-minute English listening practice topic. A peaceful weekend in the countryside level. Beginner to intermediate style. Slow. Clear, relaxing English introduction. Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's English listening practice. This lesson is designed for English learners who want to improve their listening skills naturally and comfortably. Today's story is called A Peaceful Weekend in the Countryside. Please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Let's begin. Part 1. Leaving the city. Emma had been very busy for the past few months. She worked long hours in a crowded city office. Every morning she woke up early, drank coffee quickly, and rushed to work. The city was always noisy. Cars filled the streets. People hurried everywhere. Everyone seemed stressed and tired. One Friday evening, Emma sat near her apartment window and looked outside. The sky was gray. Rain slowly touched the windows. Emma sighed quietly. "I need a break," she whispered to herself. Her phone suddenly buzzed. It was a message from her best friend. "Lily, do you want to spend the weekend in the countryside with me?" Emma smiled immediately. "Yes," she replied quickly. "I really need some fresh air." The next morning, Emma packed a small bag. She brought comfortable clothes, a book, headphones, and her camera. At 7 a.m., Lily arrived in her small blue car. "Ready for our adventure?" Lily asked excitedly. Emma laughed. More than ready. The two friends left the busy city behind. Slowly, the tall buildings disappeared. The roads became quieter. Green trees appeared everywhere. The air felt cooler and fresher. Emma rolled down the car window and smiled. "This already feels relaxing," she said. Lily nodded. "That's why I love the countryside." Part 2. Arriving at the small town. After 2 hours of driving, they finally arrived at a small countryside town called Green Hill. It was peaceful and beautiful. Small houses stood beside flower gardens. Birds sang in the trees. The streets were calm and clean. Emma looked around. Happily, "This place is adorable," she said. Lily parked the car near a tiny cafe. The cafe smelled like fresh bread and coffee. Inside, soft music was playing quietly. An elderly woman welcomed them warmly. "Good morning," she said kindly. "Good morning," Emma and Lily replied together. The woman smiled. "You must be visitors." Emma nodded. "Yes, we came from the city." The woman laughed softly. "Then you came to the right place. Life is slower here." Emma liked that sentence very much. Life is slower here. It sounded peaceful. The friends ordered pancakes, eggs, fresh orange juice, and hot coffee. Everything tasted fresh and homemade. "This is the best breakfast I've had in months," Emma admitted. Lily smiled proudly. "I told you this place was special." After breakfast, they walked through the town. They visited a small bookstore filled with old novels and postcards. Emma bought a postcard with a picture of the countryside lake. "It's beautiful," she said quietly. Part 3. Riding bikes through nature in the afternoon. Lily rented 2 bicycles. "Let's explore the countryside," she suggested. Emma agreed immediately. The weather was perfect. The sky was bright blue. White clouds floated slowly. Overhead, the friends rode their bicycles along a peaceful road surrounded by green rice fields. Farmers worked quietly in the distance. Butterflies moved gently above the flowers. Emma felt calm. "For the first time in many weeks, this is exactly what I needed," she said. Lily smiled. "Sometimes we forget how important rest is," Emma nodded. Slowly, "You're right." As they continued riding, they reached a beautiful lake. The water reflected the sky like a mirror. A gentle wind moved across the surface. The friends sat under a large tree. Beside the lake, nobody spoke for a moment. The world felt quiet and peaceful. Finally, Emma smiled softly. "I forgot how beautiful simple moments can be." Lily looked at her friend kindly. "You've been working too hard." Emma sighed. "I know." Part 4. The rainy evening later that evening, dark clouds slowly filled the sky. "It might rain soon," Lily said. A few minutes later, soft rain began falling. The friends quickly ran toward a nearby wooden cabin. Inside the cabin, warm yellow lights glowed softly. An old man sat near the fireplace reading a newspaper. He looked up and smiled warmly. "You girls can stay here until the rain stops." "Thank you very much," Emma said politely. The rain grew heavier outside. Thunder echoed in the distance. But inside the cabin, everything felt warm and safe. This old man prepared hot tea for them. Steam slowly rose from the cups. Emma wrapped her hands around the warm tea. "This feels so cozy," she said. The old man smiled. "Rainy evenings are peaceful if you slow down and enjoy them." Emma thought carefully about his words. Slow down and enjoy life. Maybe that was exactly what she needed to learn. Part 5. The beautiful morning. The next morning, Emma woke up early. Sunlight entered the small guest room softly. Outside, birds were singing again. Emma walked outside quietly. The air smelled fresh after the rain. Tiny drops of water still rested on the flowers and grass. In the distance, she saw a rainbow stretching across the sky. It was beautiful. Lily joined her outside. "Wow," Lily whispered. Emma smiled. "I don't want to leave." Lily laughed softly. "You can always come back." Emma looked around one more time. The trees, the lake, the peaceful streets, everything felt calm. For the first time in a long while, Emma felt truly happy. Ending message: thank you for listening to today's English listening practice. Remember, improving your English takes time and patience. You do not need to understand every single word. The most important thing is to keep listening every day. Little by little, your English will improve naturally. Please relax, enjoy learning, and continue practicing. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next lesson.